Alright? We're gonna be rating all countries' EAS alarms. Part 1. Because we're doing in part 1. Alright, the first one is Brunei. Sounds like an ambulance. So Brunei, 3 out of 10. Dominica. Nah, 2 out of 10. Next is Zambia. Sounds like a car crashed. Oh, wait. Before watching this video, rotate your screen. So, Zambia, 7 out of 10. Italy. It's like a vibe. So we're gonna do a 2 out of 10. Greece. From information found that it sounds like a simulation. Let's go like 8 out of 10. Scotland. Scotland is like 10 out of 10. What even is that? Is that phase 16? Israel. No. Not that. Nah, that's the scariest alarm. I haven't listened. Oh my god, Israel. Scariest alarm I've ever listened. 128 out of 10. That was the scariest one. I don't know what is this country. I'm gonna put it right there. Tuvalu. No. It's like in reverse, like songs in reverse. 7 out of 10. Okay, the next one is Bulgaria. Sounds like a ambulance again. 4 out of 10. Okay, this is the 10th country. Albania. Sounds like a no signal and hurts my freaking ears. That's a 9 out of 10. Right there. 9 out of 10. Next is Russia. Yeah, that's scary. Russia is like 6 out of 10. Mildly is scary. Okay, Ukraine. Oh my, a war. This is scarier than Russia. I'm gonna put it 8 out of 10. Okay, Japan. Wait. Oh, come on. Oh, the playlist is gone. Yep. Japan is like 2 out of 10. It's like a phone call. Bro, why is there 2 part 12s? Anyway, moving on. United States of America. I found the Siren Head origin. Yay! It's like a 9 out of 10. That is scary. Okay, next is Angola. It's way too fast. What if we slow down? That's the battery overcharging alert. Like the origin of overcharging battery alert. Wait, like the sound? It's a battery overcharging, but it's 4 times fast. Like a 7 out of 10. Wait, I mean a bad 8, but bad 1. A bad number 1. Okay, a 7 out of 10. We've done like 15 countries. Now let's go. No, let's get right into the countries again. Djibouti. No one told me there was a laser party. That's a 2 out of 10 right here. Alright, next is next is Philippines. Sounds like a Morse code, but slower. Very scary. Philippines was what was the rating? 8 out of 10. Very scary. No more places, just great. I'm gonna flip the freaking page. Nice. Now let's get on to the countries. Eritrea. Well, just for funnies. Yeah, it's just not funny. 2 out of 10. France. It's like a Morse code. So 4 out of 10. Germany. Zero out of 10. It's like a vibe. Wow. First 0 rating. Anyways, Guadeloupe. God, it's just so scary. 11 out of 10. Okay, 10 minutes of this video. So, Hungary time. Oh my goodness! So scary. Hungary, 10 out of 10. Hungary. Iceland. Zero out of 10. Okay, Belarus. Mid-tear alarm. Like 5 out of 10. Okay, Benin. Not scary. It's just 4 jokes. What was the rating? 2 out of 10. Benin. Cape Verde. Wait. That is the most quietest alarm I've ever seen. Just like Israel, but slower, I think. That's an 8 out of 10. Okay, next. Christmas Islands. Ow, 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 ow. Ow, that hurts. Well, in this video of rating, someone guys rating this countries emergency alert system alarms, and like it got me off guard. So, Christmas Island, 8 out of 10. Coco's Islands. No. Alarm clock. These alarms were like SL. So like a 6 out of 10. Just alarm clock. Man, Australia caught me off guard. So next country, Aruba. Oh my god, that gave me nightmares. Aruba is like a 9 out of 10. It's stupid scary. Barbados. Papa boy. Yeah. A 0 out of 10. We've done like 30 countries, and none of them is just not scary. Alright. China. Wait a second. Wait, is someone is speaking Chinese in China. freaky. I'm gonna give China a 10 out of 10. Okay, Kazakhstan. Weak. 2 out of 10. Alright, the last one of part 1 is South Korea. Sounds like a TV having no signal. It's just not scary. A 0 out of 10. Finally, part 1 is done. Now, to be continued.